Jai Gurudev to everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am taking maths of class 9th, lesson number 4, linear equations in two variables, part 3. And in this third part I am going to take the solution of a linear equation, means how to find out the solution of a given linear equation that we are going to see here in this part. So let's start with solution of linear equation in two variables. So some are the points are given first to how to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variables. So the first point is a linear equation in two variables has a pair of numbers that can be satisfy the equation. This pair of number is called as a linear equation in two variables. So what is linear equation in two variables? A linear equation in two variables has a pair of number. Pair of number means two number. It has a pair of number means two numbers that have to satisfy the equation, and this pair of number is called the linear equations in two variables. Then the next point is the solution can be found by assuming the value of the variables and then proceed to find the other solution. So the solution we have to find out here, and to find out the solution we have to assume the values of the variable. So the two variables we are taking, we can consider that two variables as x and y, that is the pair of variable, and for that pair of a variable we can consider a values for that variables, and by putting the values in that variable we can find out the solution. There are infinite many solutions for a single linear equation in two variables. So whenever an equation is given, for that equation infinite number of solutions are present. So some of the important points are there. First we will see that many solutions of a linear equation in two variables can be obtained. So the third point earlier we have discussed, that is, for a linear equation in two variables there are many solutions are available. To find the solution of linear equation in two variables, put x equals to 0 in the equation and find the corresponding value of y. So when two variables we are taking, and that two variables are x and y, so to get the value of that variables we can put x as 0, and by putting x as 0 we can find the value of y by using the equation. Not only that, we have to put the 0 as x, but we can put 1 2 3, and that is negative numbers also we can keep here, that as -1 -2 -3 in place of x. It means these are the numbers which we have to assume. We can also put y equals to 0 and find the corresponding value of x. So not only we have to put the value of x, but we can also put the value of y, and by putting the value of y we can find out the value of x. And here also for y we can put 0 1 -1 2 -2, any value we can put to find out the value of x, and that will be the solution of the given equation. Examples. Now we are going to see the examples. Find two solutions for each of the following equation. Now in this example we have to find out the solution for each of the following equation, and for this equations we have to find out the two solutions for each. So as I told you, we can find out as many as solutions we can. So for a equation we can find out infinite number of solution, but in this example it is given to find out the two solution for the each of the given equation. The equations are, first one is 4x plus 3y equals to 12, second 2x plus 5y equals to 0, third 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So these are the three equations are given, and we have to find out the two solution for each of the equations. So the solution is, first one, 4x plus 3y equals to 12. This is the equation given, and now we have to find out the solution, and two solutions we have to find out for this equation. So we can put here x equals to 0 or any other number also, but I am taking here x as 0. So taking x equals to 0, we get 4 into 0 plus 3y equals to 12. So I am here taking x equals to 0. If I take here x equals to 0, it means in place of x I will write here 0, and here 4 and x are in the form of multiplication, and here 3 and y are in the form of multiplication. So when I am taking x as 0, I can put here 4 into 0 plus 3y plus 12 we will write as it is, and 4 into 0 will be equals to 0. So that is 0 plus 3y equals to 12. Now 3y equals to 12. So here we got 3y equals to 12. Now 3 and y are in the form of multiplication, so we can transfer this 3 to another side in the form of division. Then we can get the value of y. So that is y equals to 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So here we have taken x as 0 and we got the value of y as 4. This is how we have to find out the solution of a linear equation. So 0, 4 is a solution of the given equation. So here the solution we have to write in the form of pair, and pair will be x, 0. So we got here x as 0, that's why we have written here 0, and we got here y as 4, that's why we have written here 4. Then the solution is 0, 4. Then one more solution we want. So here similarly, by taking y equals to 0, so now again I am taking here y as 0. So we get 4x plus 3 into 0 equals to 12. As I have taken here y as 0, so in place of y I will keep here 0. Now 4x plus 3 into 0 equals to 12, and 3 into 0 is 0. Then we got here 4x plus 0 equals to 12, that is 4x equals to 12. Now we will transfer this 4 to another side in the form of division, as it is given in the form of multiplication. So it will become x equals to 12 divided by 4, and 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Thus 3, 0 is also a solution. So here we have taken y as 0, that's why we have written in place of x, y as 0, and 3 we got as a x, that's why here we have written 3. So the solution is 3, 0. Then the second question, 3x plus 5y equals to 0. Taking x equals to 0. You can take x as 1, 2, 3, any number, but I am taking here 0. Okay, so if I am taking here x as 0, then in place of x I will put 0. Then we get 2 into 0 plus 5y equals to 0, and 2 into 0 is 0, that is 0 plus 5y equals to 0, which is equals to 5y equals to 0. That is y is equals to 0, because 5 into y equals to 0 and we want the value of y. So we will transfer this 5 to another side. It goes in the form of division, as it is given here in the form of multiplication, and 0 divided by 5 is equals to 0. That's why we got y equals to 0. So 0, 0 is a solution of the given equation. Now if we take y equals to 0, here we have taken x as 0, now I am going to take y as 0. Then we get 2x plus 5 into 0 equals to 0, and 5 into 0 is 0, that is 2x plus 0 is equals to 0, that is 2x equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 0. So here we got x as 0, as I have taken y as 0. So by simplifying the equation, by putting the value of y in the equation, I got here x as 0. Then the solution is, you again get 0, 0 as a solution of the given linear equation. So as I got the 0, 0, suppose if I want any other solution, so any other number I can put in place of x and y. So that you have to do. To get another solution, take x equals to 1, then you can check that the corresponding value of y is minus 2 by 5. So 1, minus 2 by 5 is another solution of 2x plus 3y 5y equals to 0. So this you will find out by doing it in your copy. Then the third question is 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So here it is given, third question, 3y plus 4 equals to 0. But here we know that the linear equation in two variables means we want two variables, but here only one variable is given, that is y. So we will take the another variable as x, and the coefficient of that x we will take as a 0, because here y variable is not given. Then the solution, writing the equation as x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So here the coefficient of x is 0. So taking x equals to 0, I am taking here x as 0, and when I multiply this x with 0, I will get 0 only, because here the coefficient is 0. So that is we get 0 into x plus 3y equals to 4, and 0 into 0 will be 0. So we are left with 3y plus 4 equals to 0, and 3y plus 4 equals to 0 we are left. Then we can transfer this 4 to another side, then 3y equals to minus 4, as the plus 4 will become minus 4, and here we want the value of y. So here 3 and y are in the form of multiplication, so we will transfer this 3 to another side, it will goes in the form of division. So we will get y equals to minus 4 divided by 3. Similarly, if we take x equals to 1, we get 0 plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So here I have taken x equals to 1. So you will think now, earlier madam has taken x as 0 and then y as 0, then why here madam has taken x as 1? So you can take any variable value. It is not important to take the value of x variable only or y variable only. You can take the values of x, and by taking value of x you can find out y, or you can take the value of y, and by taking value of y you can find out the value of x. And as I told you, there are infinite many numbers of solution for an equation. So you can take x as 0, again you can take x as 1, again you can take x as minus 1. That way you can find out the solution of the linear equation. So here by taking x equals to 1, I got here 0 into 1 equals to 0, because your coefficient as 0, as I told you. So 0 into 1 will be 0. Then we are left with 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Then that is 3y equals to minus 4, that is y equals to minus 4 by 3. Thus the two solution can be given as 0 comma minus 4 by 3 and 1 comma minus 4 by 3. So I hope all the whatever I taught in this video, that is understand by you. It means how to find out the solution for the linear equation of two variables. So this method we have to apply in the next exercise. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my teaching, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.